the preparation for this season has begun. The lawn has been verticut and turf raked and mowed, and it's looking spectacular. Granted, we're dormant, but we're in a good spot to start the season. So it's been verticut lightly in this direction, verticut lightly in this direction. Then I turf raked it, and then finally mowed it. So all in, we're talking right at 5 hours to get all this done. So this is the entire back lawn. That's around 8,000 square feet. And then the swale area, the side there, is another 1,000 or so square feet. As far as debris that came out, you guys are looking at this, and take a look at the amount of debris that came out of the lawn. That is from 2 verticuts, a turf rake, and then a cleanup mow. Now this has got rained on, so it's kind of compressed down a little bit. It used to be, and I'd say up to like there. It was quite a bit higher. So this is a bit wet, but you can see quite a bit of material came out. I have someone coming to come pick it all up to get rid of it. But excited. I mean, the lawn's in a really good spot. If you look at, the grass where we are, nice and clean. You can see the soil. We're in a great spot. Pre-emergent will go out here soon, and we'll be in great shape. The nice thing about doing this kind of work now, getting all this cleanup work done prior to putting out, your pre-emergent, your essential G, CarbonizPN, is that, as far as getting it, allowing the product to get into the soil, you don't have a lot of canopy or a lot of tough for it to get past. Again, a lot of the trash has been taken out. So your pre-emergent is going to get in the soil and work better. Any biostimulants like CarbonizPN-G or essential G are going to work better. And just overall, just puts the lawn in a great position to start the year out. And you can't hate on those stripes. It means we got stripe action like this and stripe action like this. So this is something really you'd only do on a warm season lawn. Bermuda grass and zoysia in particular. St. Augustine, I really wouldn't recommend this. But again, it's as far as getting the lawn in a great position to start the year out, nothing like a good verticut and turf rake and mow. If you don't have access to a verticutter, you can scalp the lawn. I don't particularly think that it does as good a job as verticutting and then turf raking, because if you've ever seen how a turf rake works, once you've finished verticutting, is it's like little gentle fingers that just kind of like gently clean all the debris out of the lawn. Which is why if you get down here, you can see there's really not a lot of trash in here now, right? It's just the grass and the soil. So we're in a really good spot to start the season. Again, looking at what came out of right around 9,000 square feet. Quite a bit of material, and the lawn's in a great spot. So looking forward to seeing how this year goes. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day, and let's get it. Let's get it in 2025. Should be a good time.